Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick review for this polymer clay kit in case you're thinking about buying it for your kids. I really like this kit, guys. It comes with a bunch of stuff inside. First, it does come with the instruction manual, kind of like showing you different types of projects that you can do with your little kids. I love this. It also comes with a bunch of different tools. So it comes with this kind of like marking it tool, so you can just mark them or make like little eyes and things like that. So I really like this. Now we have the tools to cut them or roll them, make them kind of like flat and things like that. Your kids will love these. These are so cute. I also like that it comes with a bunch of tools, guys. These are earrings, necklaces, things like that, so your little kids can just like create their own little projects. I love this. It comes with a bunch of colors, guys. It comes with 38 colors, as you can see. So these are all the colors, and then it has some more in the bottom. You just have to open them from the sides. So we're gonna open them, and then it comes with a bunch of other colors. They're so cute. Obviously, you can make a bunch of different things with them. You can just create like different projects for like earrings, necklaces, and then it also shows you in the instructions how to bake it, so it can, you know, dry off and you can create all your fun little projects. But anyways, guys, overall a great polymer clay kit that I would definitely recommend, so you can have fun with your little ones.